Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete chats in Microsoft Teams. So there's two ways to really go about this, right? So let me show you how you can delete it. And let's say you don't necessarily want to delete it, but you just want to leave the chat. So as I said, two ways. So if you're in a chat or group or whatever, right? And it could be a chat group, it could be a specific message with a person, how you can delete it. And I just want to mention that deleting the chat does not mean that you delete the person. Just simply mean that you're deleting the conversation or the record of the chat. So how do you do that? Once you find the chat, towards the right hand side, there are three dots. Click on that. It's like more options. And here you have delete. And again, this is going to simply delete the chat, right? So you will not have the chat anymore. And that's basically it. It's just for your view and so forth. If other people are in the chat, they will be able to see it. So you're not, right? So this is how you can delete the chat. And so it will not delete the chat from everyone, but it's going to delete you from the chat. And or let's say delete the chat where you're a part of that. And so if you want to delete it from this, just simply click on delete chat. Now, the other option is to leave the chat. And so if you go ahead and click on leave, you're simple leaving the chat, and that's basically it. You can always go back and search for the chat and you can join it. That's the difference. If you leave it, you can always get added back to the chat, or you can go join back the chat for whatever reason. But if you delete it, you just delete the chat. And so that's it, guys. So if you're looking to delete the chat, that's the two ways so you can actually approach this. Either leave it or simply can delete. But that's it.